The green pepper, that jewel that stands out in any market stall, is much more than a common ingredient. It is the result of centuries of history, mestizaje, and culinary creativity. Its vibrant color and unmistakable flavor have conquered palates worldwide, but few know the fascinating journey that has made it the star of numerous traditional and modern dishes. To understand the importance of green pepper in our recipes, we need to take a small step back in time. Thousands of years ago, in the lands of Mesoamerica, ancestors were already cultivating varieties of peppers. These fruits were a fundamental part of the pre-Hispanic diet, accompanying other treasures such as corn and beans. With the arrival of Spanish explorers to America in the 15th century, the green pepper began an unexpected journey. It crossed oceans and borders, reached Europe, and spread throughout Asia and Africa, adapting to different climates and cuisines. In the Iberian Peninsula, Italy, Morocco, and Latin America, the green pepper was enthusiastically adopted, to the point that today it is almost impossible to imagine Mediterranean cuisine, an Andalusian fry-up, a Cuban sofrito, a Mexican stuffed chili, or a Thai stir-fry without the presence of this colorful vegetable. Not only does its history make it special, the health benefits of green pepper place it at the top of the options for those looking to take care of themselves without giving up flavor. Its fleshiness and freshness are just the tip of the iceberg. The truth is that, for every 100 grams of green pepper, there are only 20 calories, making it an unbeatable ally for any balanced diet. Additionally, this fruit is packed with vitamin C, even more than an orange. Vitamin C is key not only for strengthening the immune system, but also for improving the absorption of iron in our foods, protecting us from anemia and winter fatigue. The intense green color of this pepper is due to its natural antioxidants, especially carotenoids. These not only care for eye health, protecting vision from the passage of time and wear from screen exposure, but also fight free radicals, helping to maintain healthy and resilient skin. It is also an excellent source of fiber, which contributes to the proper functioning of the digestive system, promoting intestinal transit and creating a natural feeling of fullness. Its content of water and minerals such as potassium completes an enviable nutritional profile. Of course, all this richness would not be very useful if the green pepper were not so exquisitely versatile. That is part of its charm, its ability to transform and surprise us. It can be enjoyed raw, adding a crunchy and fresh touch to various salads, from the classic mixed salad to more daring fusions with legumes and fruits. If roasted, the green pepper changes texture and enhances its flavor, becoming silky and sweet, perfect to accompany meats, fish, or serve as part of a Catalan escalivada. In Latin cooking, it is indispensable in tacos, fajitas, and stews, where it provides that unmistakable vegetal note that balances the spicy and the greasy. Sofritos are almost unthinkable without green pepper, onion, and tomato, that magical trinity that gives base and character to rice dishes, paellas, sauces, and casseroles. As a snack, it is unbeatable. Pieces of green pepper accompanied by hummus, guacamole, or a light dip win over both adults and children, in informal gatherings or as part of a healthy snack. And when it comes to creativity, green pepper allows for experimentation in the kitchen with various fillings, fresh cheese, couscous, meat, tuna, hard-boiled egg, and baking it to result in an explosion of flavors. Even in cold soups, like gazpacho, green pepper adds harmony and color. In short, there are 1,000 ways to enjoy it, and every culture has known how to make the most of this gift of nature. Now, if you want to taste green pepper at its finest, where freshness prevails and every dish bears the mark of creativity and good taste, the most recommended place is Cantina 33, located at 5 Campomanes Street, right in the heart of Madrid, just a few steps from the Opera metro station. At Cantina 33, Chef Sonny Montero strives every day to select the freshest ingredients and highlight the virtues of green pepper in surprising recipes, from reinterpreted classics to original creations that amaze every diner. The experience at Cantina 33 is more than just a meal. It is a journey through flavors and sensations where the green pepper takes center stage. You can find it in light and colorful starters, in aromatic side dishes that accompany roasted meats, or in main courses where it becomes the perfect partner for spices, sauces, and local products. Imagine a tapa where it melts with manchego cheese and black olives, a casserole where it perfumes a soupy rice, or a stew where its flavor and texture stand out alongside the catch of the day. And all of this in a warm and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for discovering, sharing, and enjoying the great pleasures of Madrid's dining table. If you are not yet part of this community of food lovers, this is the perfect time to join forces. Give a like, subscribe, and stay updated on all the news, recipes, and stories we have prepared for you. Taking care of your health and satisfying your appetite for flavor has never been easier than by incorporating green pepper into your daily diet or trying it in renewed versions like those offered by Cantina 33. And so, the next time you see a green pepper at the market, you will be able to look beyond its fresh appearance and vibrant color. You will think about its long history, its countless benefits for your well-being, and the innumerable ways it can transform your daily dishes. Remember, the green pepper is much more than an ingredient. It is an invitation to discover, to create, to savor. Until next time, and we hope to see you enjoying a unique experience at Cantina 33.